Hi, this is Kevin Marin presenting Chapter 8's YouTube assignment, and what I'm going to be presenting here today is the problem: write a function, rev each word and sentence that takes a sentence of words that may or may not have a final period, and which returns a sentence, each of word of which is reversed. And here's the code on the right. So what this first function does is that it takes a string and then it just reverses it. And then the second function, all it does is that it just removes the punctuation, which like the period. It replaces with the period with the blank space, and then it all falls together. And the last function here, rev each word in sentence, and we're going to assign rev sentence to quotations, so that all goes into this quotations here. And then we're going to assign splitter to a splitter function. And what this does is that it takes each word and splits it apart in the string, and then I put that into a for loop. And what this does is that it scans each word and checks if there's a period. And if there is a period, what it's going to do is it's going to remove that period. It's going to reverse each word in that string, each individual word by itself, so it's going to be in the correct order. And then what it's going to do after it's going to add the period at the end. But if there's a sentence that does not have a period, what it's going to do is just going to endorse its normal thing and just reverse each word in the right order, and then end it with a blank space. And then it's just going to return that sentence. And if we actually test it out, we can see that it reverses each of the words in the to be or not to be, that is the question. That includes the one with punctuation and the one with not. And that's it.